welcome back to my channel. So as you saw by the title of today's video, it is that infamous time of the month again. Time for the favorites video! I only have 8 items this month and I wanted to very quickly share them with you guys. So without any further ado, let me show you my March favorites. So the very first favorite, it is, I believe, my only non-beauty item, and it is this guy right here. The Perfect Touch, I think that's what it's called. But it is like the little personal shaver. This is one for the eyebrows, or I guess technically the whole face, because it looks like this. I love this thing. It shaves off my mustache like no other. As a female, we do get hair on our face sometimes, and I don't want it there, so I use this little guy to shave it right off. And it gets straight, like, literally to the skin, smooth as butter, baby's bottom. It's a little pricey, but definitely worth it. So the next product is one that I have shown you in previous videos before. This guy right here. So this is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I have had this one for a while, but this is just my holy grail when I don't want to wear any makeup product that I can make my skin look as flawless as possible without really even trying. So this is my go-to on my days, like I said, whenever I don't want to wear makeup or I want to do very natural, like barely anything on my skin. This is the guy I go to. I did use it in my travel essentials. I posted that not too long ago. So if you want to see it in action, check out that video. The very next product is this guy right here. I was so shocked that I love this as much as I do, but I really do love it. So this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Mine is in the shade Medium 22. I really like this. It is a kind of medium to full coverage buildable concealer. It's just, it glides on. It doesn't really crease up more so than any other concealer that I use. It's definitely no Shape Tape or like Fenty, but it is still such a great affordable option for you guys to try if you don't have the money, like me, to be spending on those, you know, designer names, those high-end brands. Next up is this right here, kind of sticking in the same realm of like under eyes, is the Benefit Erase Paste. Now this is something that is a little pricey, overpriced in my opinion, but I really like it. So I have mine in the shade number 1 Fair. So it is just like this orange tinted paste here. I apply it with my finger. I'll literally take a little dab out of here and dab it underneath of my eye. This is what I have been using since I have been more fair and not self-tanned, to kind of help with the dark circles underneath of my eyes, especially when I'm not going to be wearing any makeup at all. And it helps provide a brightening effect to your under eyes. Also, for the next product, I don't remember if I've mentioned it before, but in case I didn't, I'm mentioning it now. This lip gloss is life-changing, first of all. So this is the Rouge Cocoa Gloss in the shade 714. So this is by Chanel. Little pricey, a lot of pricey. It's a $30 lip gloss, but 100% worth it. I did get it for Christmas. I did not buy this for myself. It is just this beautiful color, huge applicator. It's amazing. But the best part about this is you put it on and it's like a liquid lip in the sense the color does not go away. You can eat, you can drink, you can do whatever you want to do, and the color still remains. Definitely give this a whirl if you have the spare monies to do so. So the very next product is one that has not been on the market very long, but since I have bought it, I've used it literally every single day. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. I have mine in the shade Blonde. Now I did ask you guys if you wanted a review on it, and truthfully I just couldn't sit down here and make a full YouTube video out of just using this. So I figured I would make like an Instagram video or something like that showing you guys how I use it, because spoiler alert, it's in my favorites, so obviously it's amazing. So if you get the chance to give it a try, I definitely suggest it. So the very next product is definitely going back to my YouTube roots with like my broke bitch reviews, because I have it in a sample. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Facial Mask or something along those lines. Amazing is what it is. I definitely suggest giving this a try if you want to wake up to baby soft, buttery smooth skin. Definitely has helped my complexion a lot. So thank you, honey. And the very last product is one that I know I've mentioned before, but it has been a while, so I'm going to share it again. So this is my custom Z palette. I made this myself years ago with just some single shadows that I have purchased on my own. So all of these shadows are a mixture of Makeup Geek, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I think maybe a few Morphe ones thrown in there, like back in the day whenever Morphe made like single eyeshadows. I just threw all these together because back then I wanted a palette of strictly just like my favorite colors, my ride or dies, and that is what I created. It is very busted, it is very just like abused and used, but these were the colors back in the day that I used. literally every single day. So lately I found it and I pulled it out of the archives and I've been using it a lot lately, and I'm so thankful to have this thing. So guys, that is it. Super quick, I know, but hey, I'm not here to mess around when it comes to favorites. Thank you so much for tuning into this one, guys. Do not forget to click that subscribe button down below. Give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Please let me know in the comments below, what are your monthly favorites? Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!